Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Yes, have we got a gem for you today? The Suzuki GT500, and look at that, absolutely immaculate. So we don't get too many of these in, so this is a bit of a rare one for us. Right, so let's just facts and figures before we get into the actual bike. So in 1975, UK bike, it's currently showing on the Speedo. Let's just have a quick look for you guys. Speedo showing 2,882, but it's had a recent restoration, so it's had a full makeover, paint, engine, it's had a rebore. It's only done about 40 miles since then as well, so it will need a continuation of, you know, a shakedown type of thing, recommissioning I think they used to call it. So yeah, like I say, UK bike, lovely condition, lots of new parts. We'll go through those as we have a walk around, and we'll also do, we've got to do a start-up on this, I'm afraid folks, because not only the sound but the smell as well, which you don't get but I do. So we'll have a walk round and then we'll have a start-up for you guys, but look at that, it's beautiful. So yeah, as always, starting at the back of the bike, we've got new all stock exhausts, rims are new. Looks like that seat is relatively new as well. The paint's new, which is fantastic. All the chrome's really nice. Now, a credit, it's been built by a local Suzuki enthusiast, I am told. And yeah, like I say, he's done a cracking job. He really has. He's done a cracking job. New tyres as well. So yeah, you're not going to need to, don't need anything, just needs running in. And like I say, new all stock exhausts, which are becoming very, very expensive. But yeah, just this paint, the depth on this red is beautiful. But yeah, you just don't see too many of these, do you? I think new front mudguard as well, I think. And it's new rims front and rear, and I think new spokes as well. But just look at that, that is beautiful. The chrome's really nice all the way along here. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to get young David to step in and start this for us. I shall come out of the way and we'll just have a start up, but listen to this. How good does that sound, folks? And the smell, oh, take it in. So there you go, folks, that is the 1975 Suzuki GT500. Sounds awesome in store. So we can offer finance on this vehicle. We can offer nationwide or international delivery if required. If you oh, excuse me. If you'd like to know how much this particular vehicle is, there is a description below which contains a price and also a link to the website where you'll find a load of photos in high definition, and you can have a bit of a closer view at your leisure. But what a lovely bike that is. That is to be fair, that's a credit to the builder. I'll never tell him that, but that is a credit to him. Okay folks, if you've got any questions on this bike or any of our others, don't hesitate, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at this bike in person, you're more than welcome. As always, if you live any further than a mile away, give me a call before you set off, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. Other than that though, folks, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate the support. Oh, last thing, it is down as historic on the V5 as well. Forgot to mention that one. So don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tick that bell for notifications. And remember, if you're passing Doncaster, pop in for a brew. It's always nice to see you guys. And other than that, stay safe out there, and we'll see you all very soon. Cheers for watching.